80s time capsule looks like? Check this thing out. 1987 Oldsmobile Cutlass Salon Coupe with T-tops, and only a little over 19,000 original miles, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, dark teal blue with the upgraded 5-liter underneath the hood, automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, has been converted to 134A. Take a look at this front fascia and the condition of this paint. Just wow. This particular car is also going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable up to 10 years. Check out the still pictures of this thing. Look at the engine bay, the interior, undersides. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. The upgraded wire wheel covers. In the still picture, you're going to be able to see the window sticker of this car. You're going to see the build sheet, probably the best conditioned build sheet I've seen. And you'll be able to see exactly how it was equipped. Of course, power windows, power locks, has the upgraded stereo system, AM, FM, cassette. And yes, this one looks as good in person as it does the pictures. Remember, we have an open door policy, third-party inspector. You can't make it to see it yourself. You want somebody else to put their eyes on it, check it out. Feel free to. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Rear bumper. And again, the paint. Vinyl top. Great condition. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. And like I said, check out that build sheet, check out the window sticker. Want to see exactly how this car was equipped. There cannot be many of these out there in the Cutlass salons with that T-top, let alone this condition. Wow. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Look at the door panels. Seems like it came out of the showroom back in 1987. Just no wear on the armrests. Same with the seats. Of course, power seat over here on the driver's side. Look at the condition. Lots of pictures of the interior also with the still pictures. Of course, tilt and cruise. Let's go ahead and fire it up. So here, run. There's your exact miles, 19,095 original miles. And it shows on this one. Take a look at the dash. This thing is not sat out in the sun. Dash is not cracked, faded, checked, anything like that. Radio working order. Also power antenna. Notice that one up right there. Let's go ahead and turn this off. Power antenna comes down. All gauges working. Slip around to the back seat here in this run. This car kind of speaks for itself. Go ahead, look at the still pictures. Just what you'd expect. Let me pause this a second. I want to show you this engine bay. It's unbelievable. Hang on a second. Let's get this hood open. Underside of the hood. This thing has definitely not been driven in inclement weather. And then look at this. Again, upgraded the 5-liter. Power steering, power brakes. AC has been converted. It's noted right on top of the compressor here. 134A. Look at just lack of corrosion. Clean, not dusty, grimy. You just don't see G-bodies like this out there much anymore. 1987 Oldsmobile Cutlass Salon T-top car, just a little over 19,000 original miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, it's going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable out to 10 years. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1987 Oldsmobile Cutlass. This is a T-top car. It's one of the things that makes it special. It's an automatic on the center console. This car feels like new, looks like new. It says it has 19,097 miles on it. It's a really nice blue on the outside and inside. Tachometer works great, speedometer works great. She goes perfectly straight down the road. It feels like a brand new car, no vibrations, no shakes. Fuel gauge is reading a little under a quarter. Voltage is right about 13. Oil pressure is about 50. And the temperature is about 190, 195, right where it should be. Cassette player. I did not test that myself. But the radio works great. Got the scorpions going. Cassette holder built into the armrest in the center console. Brakes work excellent. Let's go around the corner here. Corners very well. Really, from what I can see, a spotless Oldsmobile. If you're looking for a Cutlass, this is the one. uniqueclassiccars.com.